Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about Unit 7 OL. Our title today is Technology and the Future. Technology and the Future. Let's begin with some sentences. Number one, have money. Have money. For example, I work hard to have money or to earn money. My brother wants to have a lot of money. Number two, save money. Save money. When you work hard, you can save a lot of money. And the opposite of save money is waste money. Waste money. After this, we have the word shopping online. Shopping online. My sister likes shopping online. She wants to buy a lot of things online. After this, we have the word for free time. Free time. I have a lot of free time, so I do sports. After this, we have the word live on the moon. In the future, I think we will be able to live on the moon. After this, we have the word have no illnesses. Scientist works hard to make a lot of things to have no illnesses in the future. Let's complete some words and their meanings. For example, number one, we have the word helicopter. Helicopter, it's a form of transport that flies using long thin parts on top of it that turn around and round very quickly. It's the helicopter. It's a kind of plane. After this, we have the word translate. Translate as a verb means to change words into a different language. Again, to change words into a different language. Number three, motorbike. Motorbike, it's a form of transport with two wheels and an engine. Again, it's a form of transport with two wheels and an engine. After this, we have the word app or application. It's a small computer program that you can use on a mobile phone or other electronic device. Again, it's a small computer program that you can use on a mobile phone or other electronic device. After this, we have the word speed. Speed, how fast something moves. Speed means how fast something moves. The last one, we have the word headphones. As we know, headphones, it's a piece of equipment that you wear over your ears so that you can listen to music without anyone else hearing you. All of us know this word. After this, we have some expressions. For example, do the shopping. Again, do the shopping. It equals go shopping. The same. When you go to buy a lot of things from the markets, it means go shopping or do the shopping. Do the shopping. After this, have a headache. Again, have a headache. Have a headache means when you study a lot, you can have a headache. So it's have a headache. After this, make friends. When you move from a place to another place, you have to make a lot of friends. Give advice. Give advice means advise. I saw that my little brother makes a lot of noise, so I gave him advice yesterday to be calm. Start a machine means to set up a machine or to turn on a machine. Again, turn on a machine. After this, we have the word drop rubbish. Drop rubbish. You mustn't drop rubbish in the street. Drop rubbish here means throw rubbish. After this, we have the word feel worried. Feel worried. Before the exam, I usually feel worried. After this, we have some prepositions. some prepositions. Number one, think of. Think of. Before the exam, I think of the exams a lot. After this, we have the word study at home. Sorry, stay at home. Stay at home. On Friday, I usually stay at home. I don't go out. Agree with. Agree with. When my father said an idea or have an idea, I usually agree with him. Take something away. Take something away. My mother asked me to take the rubbish away. After this, we have the word turn off. Turn off means to switch off. Before sleeping, I have to turn the light off. A problem with. A problem with. Last week, I had a problem with my friend because he makes a lot of noise. The last one, worried about. Again, worried about. My father told me not to be worried about the exam. Everything will be okay. Let's talk about our grammar lesson. Our grammar lesson today talks about making prediction. Again, making prediction. We use will to talk about prediction in the future, and will and the negative of will is won't. Will plus not. So, for example, the headphones will be very useful for traveling. And if we wanted to make a negative form, the machine won't be able to fly very high. As we know that the keywords for the future next plus anytime, tomorrow, in the future, one day. And if we want to make yes or no question, we will begin the sentence with will, subject, plus infinitive verb. And if we want to make WH question, we will begin the sentence with WH, will, subject, plus infinitive verb. The last thing, if we want to make use if or when for prediction in the future, we use if or when plus subject plus will plus infinitive. For example, if everyone shops online, the shops in our town and city will lose. So if is followed by present simple, and the other sentence is will plus infinitive. And if we want to put it in the middle of the sentence, I'll do all my shopping online when I am older. So, for example, also, if I go out, I'll meet my friends. If I go out, I'll meet my friends. If we want to make WH question, as we said before, we will begin the sentence with WH plus will plus subject plus infinitive verb. So we use if plus present simple. For example, what will you do if you have freed much time? So another sentence, will Ali buy a mobile if he gets much money? Another sentence, if Hussam doesn't study hard, he will fail. So be careful, please. As we said that if is followed by subject plus present simple, and if we wanted to use a negative form, we use don't or doesn't. This sentence for we're using doesn't, and the other one, number one, if I don't call my friend, he will get angry. If I don't call. So the negative form here, don't. That's all for our lesson today. Thank you and goodbye.